Hey there friends, Pokemon trainer Denise here, and I'm going to be talking to you about the grassy, psychic-filled, fiery world of Pokemon. That's right, in this class it's time to learn how to catch them all and become a true master. As Professor Oak always said, the best trainer will always try to learn about the world of Pokemon and how they live and coexist with others. It's not just about capturing them and having a pet. I think this is the perfect time to grab that Podex and enhance that Poke knowledge. In this class, students will have the opportunity to learn about famous Pokemons and trainers like Ash, Pikachu, and their friends. We will also get to explore different hands-on art media such as watercolor, modeling clay, pastels, and more. Here, your dreams of becoming a Pokemon master become a reality as you create your very own Poké-Balls, Pokemon Shrinky Dinks, and even your own Pokemon Trading Cards. So friends, make sure you grab all the supplies you need, attach those Poké-Balls to your belt, grab your starter Pokemon, and prepare to jump into the fun world of colorful creatures while you try to catch them all and become a Pokemon master.